Hey, welcome back to your favorite channel Short Guides, and in this video I will show you how to remove Instagram profile picture. So if something happens to you, if you divorced or you just broke up with your boyfriend or girlfriend and you want to hide before everyone and you don't want to have any more Instagram profile pictures, that just go to Instagram application. Open your Instagram profile by hitting this icon of Instagram profile. Then on this one screen, just press the edit profile, and in this section you can edit your pictures or avatar. It's directly under the profile pictures, so hit that, edit pictures or avatar. And here it is. You can remove the current pictures, so press the remove current picture, and in about a second it will delete your profile picture. So if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment below. If you have anything else, I can make a video for you. Thanks, bye.